In lush forests and meadows, a captivating symphony unfolds daily, orchestrated by nature's virtuosos, the birds. Each bird, from the cardinal to the nightingale, contributes a unique note to the melodic tapestry of the wild. Their songs, a blend of calls, trills, and melodies, echo through the trees, narrating tales of dawn and dusk. Through these melodic conversations, birds communicate warnings, attract mates, and defend territories. Listening closely, we decode the secrets of this avian language, connecting with the ancient rhythms of the natural world. As the sun rises, the chorus begins, a harmonious blend of chirps and warbles that paints the morning sky with sound. Witnessing this symphony, one can't help but be drawn into a realm where music and nature intertwine seamlessly. The intricate patterns of bird calls reveal a rich tapestry of emotion and intention, a musical dialogue that transcends human language. So, next time you stroll through the woods or relax in a garden, pause and listen. Let the melodious language of birds serenade your senses, reminding you of the beauty and wonder that surrounds us every day.